Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up your HP Smart Tank 5105 through Wi-Fi. So first, what you guys want to do is print the information report. Here we will have the Wi-Fi direct name and the Wi-Fi direct password. Now what we want to do is go over to our Wi-Fi settings on the phone. So as you guys can see here, I have the Wi-Fi settings, and here we have the direct 60 HP Smart Tank 5100. We need to click it, and now we need to enter the password for the password that we got on the Wi-Fi direct printer information report. So I'll get back to you guys once I enter the password. Now after we enter the password, all we gotta do is click join, and now we should be connecting to the direct. As you guys can see, I've got an error, so let me try again. So now it worked. The first time did not work even though I entered the password. Now what we want to do is go to HP Smart app on your phone, and here click add your first printer. Now we need to select already connected to the network, and here select the HP Smart Tank 500 series. So now let's allow the notifications, and as you guys can see here we have our printer and it's connected. We can see the printer status, options, preferences, tools, and much more. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.